Everyone is talking about AI side hustles right now, but most people trying them never make a single dollar. Why is that? It's not that AI doesn't work, but people are making three major mistakes. Once you understand them, you'll see exactly how people are actually making money with AI today. Before we dive in, a quick question. Have you tried an AI side hustle yet? Comment yes or not yet below. The first thing most people get wrong is thinking AI itself is the business. It is not. AI is simply a tool. The real business is always about solving a problem, saving time, or helping someone make money. The first big mistake is what I call tool obsession. Beginners spend weeks learning every AI tool they can find. They learn ChatGPT, Midjourney, Runway, and more, but they never stop to ask, who actually needs what these tools produce? Businesses don't pay for tools, they pay for results. A restaurant owner cares if your AI-written captions bring customers, not what tool you used. Instead of learning 10 tools, start with one problem. When you focus there, AI becomes a speed advantage instead of the product itself. The second big mistake people make is chasing instant passive income. You've seen the videos. Make $10,000 with AI while you sleep. But most successful AI side hustles actually start as active services first. This allows you to quickly learn crucial market information. When you provide an active service, you learn what customers actually want, what they are willing to pay for, and their recurring problems. That is when you can automate parts of the work and build passive income, step by step. The third mistake people make is overcomplicating AI side hustles. They believe they need a giant automation system with 10 tools connected together. They think they need complex dashboards and endless integrations, but this couldn't be further from the truth. Most profitable AI services are actually very simple. For example, offering YouTube script writing using ChatGPT on Fiverr. The process is straightforward, and clients happily pay $20 to $50 per script for real value. So what actually works when building an AI side hustle? Think about it in this order. First, find a problem that businesses already pay to solve. Look for real business tasks people currently outsource. Second, use AI to do that job faster or cheaper. AI should be your speed advantage, not the product itself. Third, turn the workflow into a repeatable system. Examples include AI script writing for creators, AI product descriptions for online stores, or AI social media captions for small businesses. These are not AI experiments. They are real business tasks that AI simply helps you deliver faster. If you're just getting started, I created a free resource called the AI Money Starter Kit. It includes beginner workflows and prompts to help you earn your first $50 online using AI. AI side hustles absolutely can work, but only if you stop chasing tools and start solving real problems for people. If you want to learn more about simple AI workflows that actually generate income, subscribe to this channel. Every week we break down practical systems you can copy and use.